Hello and welcome to this engineering class in material handling in factories. The purpose of this course is to help you become even better at designing material handling equipment in factory settings. Machines that handle components and feeding parts to ensure that they are placed in the correct location and with the desired orientation to enable efficient and interruption-free assembly and packaging. Throughout the course, we will work on step feeders, bowl feeders, flex feeders, centrifugal feeders, and conveyors. And here we have a recirculation conveyor. Since we have this model available to us in our laptop, we can easily make changes to the design. Let's say that we adjust this guide a bit, like so approximately. I'm just doing it on freehand for now. And then we can simulate this again and see how it performs this time. And I think almost immediately it becomes clear that the bottles are subject to less severe impacts, which is a good thing. And there is also no recirculation thus far. And that is also nice. And one thing that this illustrates is something that I think is quite common in this type of application, namely that small and sometimes trivial adjustments to the design can have a very significant impact on the performance and reliability of the system. Especially when there's recirculation involved. That kind of feedback loop enables problems to potentially escalate. And that could potentially bring down a whole production line. So my goal with this course is to help you become remarkably good at designing these types of solutions. And I anticipate that the total duration of the course will be around 8 hours. I'm hoping that you will be able to complete the entire course in one working day, but we will see if that's possible. That said, I want to thank you for watching, and I look forward to producing the next video in this series and hope that it will be useful to all of you. Thank you.